Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a natural fall everyday makeup that you can do and not think about. So you're gonna do your whole makeup routine and you're not gonna have to reapply anything. That is the type of look that I always want to go for, especially being a mom, or if you're a person on the go that has a busy schedule, this look is for you. Also, we're in that weird time where it's Halloween-y vibes because it's October and we're in fall, so we want a little bit of both. This is that look. This gives you both of the vibes in one, and I cannot wait to show you. Also, huge announcement, Dominique is launching a new product, and that is our Pillow Soft Hydrating Stain for the lip and the cheek. It looks like this. So beautiful. I love these shades. I'm gonna show you the shade that I used today. It's very soft, and it is the most cushioniest jelly-like formula. It's infused with avocado oil for that maximum hydration and hyaluronic acid. I'm loving it. And the thing about it is, I have it on right now, but when I wipe this away, it's gonna leave a soft flush of color on the lips, no matter what color you choose. There's 3 colors that we have. This is the PR card we sent out to the influencers, but there is a red, a pink, and a plum color. And I love Berry Soft. It's a unique type of plum that dries down to a soft lilac pink. It looks so good on the cheeks and the lips. You're gonna be obsessed. And then I also have Satin Rouge. This one is like you just left the gym and your cheeks are a little flushed. It looks really intense and red, but when it dries down, it gives you that like I just finished working out type of look. And then for that soft pink, very natural. Like think about anything that makes you blush pink. This is that soft, pretty pink that's gonna be left behind on your lips and your cheeks. It's so cute. It's called Pink Dreams, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. These are $22. They're launching October 13th, Friday, probably when you see this video, and I cannot wait for you to try them. They're on dominiquecosmetics.com. I can't wait for you to get your hands on them. I know you're gonna love them. And if you want a new everyday fall makeup look, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. This is my fall skin prep. I am obsessed with this combination right here. This is the Fresh Tea Elixir. I put this on my skin first. It's an activating serum, and it just makes your skin look so freaking healthy, and it feels hydrated and beautiful throughout the day. Look at that. Do you see the skin? It's skinning. After that, I'll put on my primer. This is the Blur and Moisture Hydrating Primer from Dominique. It's my go-to because whenever it dries down, it dries tacky, so it grips the makeup to the skin, making it last so much longer throughout the day. I am obsessed with this little combo. It also just gives the best hydration and kind of smooths over the pores a little bit without being thick and silicone-y. Actually, it's kind of freaking hot. I wish it was more fall vibes, but it really isn't. I have a little tube top on that's giving fall, but it's still very much summer. California. It's very much California. After that, I'm gonna put on my brows because the brows change my entire face. So let's put those on. First of all, you guys, welcome to my new house. This is my new bedroom. I'm filming in my bedroom. I'm trying to find a good filming spot. I really haven't figured it out yet, but I just set everything here and the lighting's pretty good and my bedroom looks pretty cute. So I'm good here for now. There's cat hair. Why does cat hair follow us everywhere? It's in the air. I'm gonna sharpen my brow pencil from Dominique, the brow frame. I like the shade Taupe. It's my favorite. It's just very soft. So I really like this shade. These are sold out right now, but they are coming back very soon. I've been getting questions like every single day. When is it coming back in stock? It is coming back so soon, I promise you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and draw in these front brow hairs because I like to just create a little bit of a different frame with my face. So I bring them in a little closer, and I'm just gonna brush my brows up a little bit. I just wanna brush and tame my brows. So I'm gonna take them all the way up and over. I also like to fill in my brow just a little bit with some brow powder from, this one's from Sigma, it's called Dark. And I'm just gonna pop that in where I don't have much, like right in here. It kind of deepens it a little bit further and then it sets it in place. And then underneath the brow, I'm just gonna soften this line. There we go, we have brows. Now let's go ahead and get this face snatched. I'm curling my lashes and I'm gonna apply mascara before I do anything else, just so that I let the mascara marinate while I do the rest of my makeup. And so once I'm ready for lashes, my real lashes are prepped. The way the brown mascara has been looking on social media, on everyone, looks so chocolatey and stunning. So I'm gonna use brown today for everyday type of lash. And this one's from Too Faced. It's the Better Than Sex Mascara. I got the Born This Way medium to full coverage. I got light beige. I'm gonna mix them together because I feel like this one and this one would be perfect. Just like a drop of vanilla and light beige. So we're doing these two. One thing about me is during fall time, I do like a little bit more coverage. So it looks nice and doll-like. I'm gonna apply it with this brush from Real Techniques. I just got it in PR and it is so good. Real Techniques, I have been sleeping on Real Techniques. They have such great brushes and just all types of tools, but look at this coverage. I haven't used Born This Way in such a long time, so I forget how good it is, but when you put it on, you're like, okay, I see what I loved and why did I put it down? It's because there's so many new things that come out. That's why I want to try all the new things. I'm gonna do my concealer last because I love how it just blends everything together even better. I'm gonna go in with the Dominique Pillow Soft Hydrating Stain, and this is in the shade Berry Soft. This is gonna be the perfect shade for you for the fall time. I love it. Let me show you. Even whenever it kind of wears off throughout the day, or if you don't want it to be glossy, you just want a natural flush of color, it gives you the prettiest, unique pink. And it's like a very cushiony, jelly-like texture. It has avocado oil infused into the formula as well as hyaluronic acid. So it's going to nourish, plump, and soften the skin. It's gonna be so much more hydrated than what it was before. And I don't know about you guys, but I want my face and lip products to be hydrating and smoothing. This does all of that. If you want, you can let it sit for like a second, but you can immediately kind of blend it in and it blends into this really pretty color. And it's not a crazy intense color at first. So if you wanna start off light, I wanna do a little bit more. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to my cheeks and the nose. I love adding blush to the nose still. I haven't got over that little trend. I just add it everywhere, and then I also add it to the lips. And one thing that I like doing with this is using it like a lip line. So you can overline your lips a little bit and that lip line will stay there. I'm like, I gotta hurry because I gotta blend this out before it stains like that. And then you wanna make sure you blend it out. Don't let it sit too long because it will literally sit there and it will be in that spot. So you gotta blend, like maybe let it sit for like 5 seconds. Not this as long as I was sitting with it because I wanted to put it on my lips too, but I'm gonna put it on my nose. So we have a little flush of color there, but do you see the soft lavender pink it gives you? It's so pretty and wearable. And that's going under my makeup, my concealer and everything. So it's gonna be a little bit lighter. I like to overline the center of the Cupid's bow. It feels so cushiony, silky soft on your lips. It's like plushy. It feels amazing. And if you want like a glossy finish, you can leave it glossy or you can wipe it off. I'm gonna leave it there. I really love this color. So I'm gonna let it simmer and sit on my lip for a little bit while I do the rest of my makeup. But you can wipe it off and just have it be that color. I like to really let it sink in. After that, I'm gonna do my bronzer, my concealer, and you're gonna see how it all just melts together so beautifully. This Pillow Soft Hydrating Stain comes in 3 shades: Satin Rouge, Berry Soft, and Pink Dreams. I'm swatching all 3 for you guys so you can see on my arm, and I'm gonna wipe it away and you can see that it has this beautiful stain. It's very natural. It's very like that natural flush of color just got out of the gym type of vibe with a soft, subtle hue of red, pink, or plum. This is going to be available on DominiqueCosmetics.com Friday, October 13th. So make sure you're by your computer or your phone so you can get one ASAP. So these are one of those products that when you're on the go, you put it on, you apply it and forget about it. You go about your day, you don't have to reapply it. It's always gonna be there. So that's why I love this product for every day on the go, especially if you're a mom, if you are in school or have just a busy schedule. This is for you. This is the perfect lip and cheek stain, and it's cushiony. It's not like watery. It's very easily blendable into the skin, and it's dewy, it's glowy, but then it dries down to a natural finish. I'm obsessed and I know you're gonna love it. Now I'm gonna show you my fall fall bronze. This is my perfect fall bronze color. This one is from Say. It's the Sun Melt Tan Bronze, and cup it around the blush. So I like to put the blush on before the concealer because it goes underneath and it looks more like a natural, effortless blush, but you can do it on top of your makeup as well and it'll look really good, especially if you want that dewy glow on your cheeks. That is gonna look amazing. But this is just like a quick little bronze that I like to do all over just to give some color, some dimension into my cheeks. I just want everything to look cozy and warm. I love that vibe for fall. I'm gonna take the other side of this brush for my nose contour and we're just gonna blend this bronze on the nose. I'm gonna go through the eye socket and bring that out because it acts like an eyeshadow. When you bring it through the crease and out, it also gives you a little lift. So always love to add a little lift to my eye and bring it all the way out here. All the products that I'm using today are very easily blendable. They don't lay down a ton of pigment at once. They're buildable also. And those are my favorite types of formulations because you can customize them to how you want it. So now we're gonna cover these under eye circles. We don't wanna look like we are doing a Halloween costume. I'm gonna just do a little bit right here. When I say a little bit, I mean this much, whatever that means to you guys. I love concealer, especially under my eye area. And with this metal tip, I can just give myself a little massage here all day. I'll put a little bit on my nose and down my nose bridge. Let's do a little tiny lift on the sides. And that's basically the concealer that we're gonna do. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I'm actually gonna put in a little bit of setting spray in between. And while that dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a fall look for my eye, but I'm not gonna do something, it's gonna be very natural, very wearable. So I wanna keep it simple, but at the same time, I want it to look, you know, good for fall. So I'm gonna add a little shadow to my eyes, and I got this super cute freaking palette from Too Faced. It's the Pop-Tart Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette. And the inside is just all the fall colors that you want and need on your eyes. So I grabbed this palette because it's easy, it's simple. Even if you use like one or two colors, this is gonna look good for fall. And I want something that you can wear all the time. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this Big Toaster Energy. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna work it into the crease and bring that all the way out. Gonna go in the crease and we're gonna blend that outwards and take it into this little crease right here next to the nose, like so. And take a bigger brush, a fluffier brush, and something that's a little more clean. And I just go over everything that I did so it's nice and soft. So I'm gonna take in my fillings with this flat eyeshadow brush from Sigma. This is the E55. And I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid. And I like that this cream color is warm. Like it's not a super pale type of color, but it's still brightening even though it's like warm, and it opens up the eye a lot more. It makes it look brighter and just more everyday. So you see the concealer is everywhere still. It's really setting on the face, which is gonna make it last longer. It's also gonna give more coverage to your face, and it's also gonna act like a filler for that area, so it just thickens up a little bit more. And after I have that down, I'm gonna go back into a clean brush, more of a clean brush, and we're gonna just blend this out so there's no harsh line here. But we do like a little bit of a definition there, like a difference from the brown to the beige, but I don't want it to be super hard. Then I'm gonna take a liner brush. This one is from Morphe X Ariel, and I'm gonna take this color. It's called Dust the Crust. How cute are these names? Does it smell like cinnamon? I think it does. And I love like a reddish brown. Like any time of the year, but during fall, it's the best. And I'm just gonna take that reddish brown out here for a soft little wing, very, very soft. And because it has that red kind of undertone, it kind of goes with the plum because the plum has sort of a red undertone to it, but it obviously is more cool and purpley, but it just matches perfectly with this look. I'm not doing a crazy wing. It's something that you can do easily with an eyeshadow and an angled brush, and you don't have to worry about using a liquid, which can get messy. Something like that. That's the look so far. I'm gonna add a lash. My lash that I love for like an everyday look is the same one for a while for me. These are my ultimate favorite from Birdie Lashes. This is the style Bear. Every time I wear these, I get so many questions about what I'm wearing on my lashes, and these are it. They're the most natural looking lash, but they're also long and flirty. Like I feel like they are wispy and you can see your eye shape underneath them. It's just really pretty. Sorry, I have allergies during this time. Also, my cat hair is flying around. I'm literally next to my cat house. I went ahead and popped on my lashes and then applied some of this brown mascara on top from Too Faced. And now we are finally going to blend this concealer. And I feel like I waited way too long, to be honest. It is very dried down, but it is going to give me the maximum coverage. And let's just see how it turns out. A little concealer wear test. It blends out beautifully, actually. And then I'm gonna do a little blend here. So I'm blending everything in. And these are the high points of the face where you want to be the brightest. So this works amazing. You can let this concealer sit for that long and it blends extremely beautifully into the skin. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna do this every time. I'm just gonna put my concealer on and then forget about it. Just do my whole entire eye and then come back to it, because look how good it looks. Looks so good. The blush is still blushing underneath and it's very natural, very pretty. Honestly, I'm gonna leave it. I don't even need to add blush on top because it's a stain. It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna set the rest of my face. To set, I'm gonna use the Smooth and Blur setting powder. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the number 4 brush from Lunar Beauty and Laura Lee, and it fits under the eyes beautifully. And I'm just gonna do the center of my face. That's the part that I want to look the most mattified. And the rest, I'm just gonna let it live its life. I'm gonna go over a little bit with this damp beauty sponge. It really doesn't have much on it, but just to go over, make sure everything is sinking into the skin really nicely. But this is the whole face. I'm just gonna do my lower lash really quick with the mascara, the brown mascara. This doesn't always work, but the majority of the time it does. I look down like this and I go really far at the top and just hit the lashes quickly. And it seems to not get mascara on my lash line as much. I like that this is a natural brown mascara. I'm gonna go back over with the setting spray. And this is the final look. The blush is still peeking through so much and it's not gonna move throughout the day, or the lip. So that's why I feel like this is an everyday type of, you don't have to think about it, just go about your day and live your life. You're gonna look beautiful no matter what. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go and try out the new lip stains from Dominique. They are so amazing and I know you're gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by thumbsing up the video. And if you missed these videos, if they popped up yet, because sometimes they take a while, if you missed them, make sure to check them out and subscribe to my channel so that we can see each other every week. Stay updated with all the new makeup looks, all the new makeup trends, all the new makeup. If you are a makeup lover, if you are a mom, if you love life, if you just want to be besties, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And before I let you go, I always leave you with a motivational message to keep you going and have it stuck in your head throughout the week. And this one is just to be home in your own heart. And what I mean by that is be comfortable and happy with who you are as you are, and let that be your home. No matter where you're at, you always feel that love. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.